everyone. Today we are going to do standard 9 geometry, first chapter, basic concepts of geometry. Now the whole lesson has been completed. Today we are going to do the problem set first. The other links are being given in the description box. You all can follow it. Now the first question is, on a number line, coordinates of P, Q and R are supposed to be 3, -5 and 6 respectively. State with the reason whether the following statements are true or false. Now first what we have to do is draw a number line, and in that number line you will see that out of the 3 coordinates, one is supposed to be -5. So where are you going to place the -5? You will be placing -5 to the left hand side. Okay, so what was -5's coordinate? Q. P was supposed to be 3 as it is the smallest number, and then R, that is supposed to be 6. Hope you understood how to draw a number line. If you draw this number line, then only you are going to get the answers right, or else your answers are going to go wrong. There is just a small twist in the question. You will have to just judge it and draw a number line. Got it? So according to this, what we have to do is first find the distance of PQ. Distance of PQ, P was supposed to be 3. We have to subtract it with -5. Got it? So 3 minus and minus plus, that is supposed to be 8. So distance of PQ is supposed to be 8. This is the first condition that we have found. Now the second condition was distance of QR. Distance of QR, Q is supposed to be 6 and R is supposed to be -5. Sorry, R is supposed to be 6 and Q is supposed to be -5. We are writing it in an opposite way. Why we are writing it in an opposite way? Because 6 is greater than -5. So 6 will be coming in the first place. Got it? So minus and minus will give you plus. So 6 plus 5 is supposed to be 11. Distance of QR is equal to 11. Hope you understood how to find the coordinates and the distances between the coordinates. Now moving towards the third, that is supposed to be PR. Over here also we are going to follow the same rule. The bigger number we will write it first, R coordinate we will be writing first, and the P coordinate will be writing afterwards, because 6 is greater than 3. We have to subtract these numbers. The answer is supposed to be 3. So PR, distance of PR is supposed to be 3. Now we got all the 3 distances. We have to write it in the form of statement and find whether the statement is true or false. So the first statement is distance of PQ plus distance of QR is distance of PR. This is the question. We have to just put the numbers below and add and subtract accordingly. So PQ, what we found, PQ was 8, QR was 11 and PR was 3. So 8 plus 11, the answer is going to be 19. Over here 3. The left hand side and the right hand side, both the answers are different. Therefore this statement is false. You'll have to write it in words. This statement is false as LHS is not equal to RHS. Hope you understood how to write it in the sentence form. Okay, now moving towards the second question. Distance of PR plus distance of RQ is equal to distance of PQ. This is the question. Now place the values of PR. PR was supposed to be 3. QR is supposed to be 11 and PQ is supposed to be 8. So 11 plus 3 is supposed to be 14 and 8. The both answers are different. Left hand side and right hand side answers are different. So the statement is false. Again you have to write the same line. Statement is false as left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Hope you understood this sum. Okay, so one more question is there. Distance of RP plus distance of PQ is equal to distance of RQ. So RP, the distance of RP is supposed to be 3, QR, PQ was supposed to be 8 and RQ is supposed to be 11. So 8 plus 3 will give you 11. Now over here left hand side and right hand side both are equal. So this statement is true, as left hand side is equal to right hand side. Got it? In this way, one more question is there. For that, you all have to find the answer in the same way and write the answer whether it is equal, whether the statement is true or false. Got it? Now moving towards the third question. The third question is supposed to be coordinates of some points. Coordinates of some pairs of points are given below. Hence, find the distance between the points in each pair. Now, few points have been given. We have to find the distance. It is very easy. We have done it before. You all can follow the link in order to revise it. So, the first question is 3 and 6. We have to find the distance between the 2 points. So, first coordinate is 3 and the second coordinate is 6. So which number is greater? Obviously 6 is greater than 3. From the number line we have taken this. Got it? 6 is greater than 3 according to the number line. So distance between the 2 points is supposed to be 6 minus 3, that is supposed to be 3. The answer is 3. Hope you understood. Now the second question, minus 9 minus 1. First coordinate is supposed to be 9. Second coordinate is supposed to be minus 1. Minus 9 minus 1. We have to find the distance. For finding the distance, what we have to do? We have to subtract it. Distance between the 2 points is equal to minus 1 will come first and then we have to write minus 9 because minus 1 is greater than minus 9, right, from the number line. So minus and minus will give you addition, positive number, 2 negative will give you 1 positive, 9. So this is a minus and plus will give you minus, and you have to write the sign of the bigger number. Got it? So the distance between the 2 points is supposed to be 8. In this way, you all have to solve question number 3 from the textbook. Now, moving towards question number 4. Coordinates of the point on a number line is minus 7. Find the coordinates on the number line which are at a distance of 8 from the point P. Got it? So here also first what we have to do, draw a number line. You have to draw it with a scale. I am drawing it with a hand. So here your A, P and B according to the question. You have to take A, X, P as minus 7 and B is supposed to be Y. Now according to the question, what they have said that we have to draw a number line. The first point is given, that is minus 7 is given. We have to name it as point P, and both the points are at a distance of 8. Means the distance between these two coordinates are supposed to be 8. Got it? The distance of X from P and P from Y is supposed to be 8. Respectively according to the question. So what we have to do is, after drawing this, we have to find the distance between the two coordinates as we did before. So let A be X on the left hand side, of P. Got it? This is what we did. in the number line. After writing this, what we have to state that minus 7 is greater than x. Why? Because according to the number line, minus 7 is going to be greater than the coordinate that we are going to find of a, obviously from the number line. So minus 7 is greater. Therefore, distance of AP is, we know the distance between the 2 points is supposed to be 8 from the question. 8 units they have said it. So distance between AP is supposed to be 8. Now, what are the coordinates of A? The coordinates of A is supposed to be, the coordinate of A is x. Here also what we have to do is write the greater coordinate first. That is minus 7 minus x. Got it? Because minus 7 is greater, we are writing it in the first place and then we have to write x. Got it? Now after solving this x will remain in its place and we have to take 8 over there. So minus 7 minus 8 and x will get positive. We are taking 8 over there. So minus and minus plus, that is supposed to be 15 and the sign of the bigger number, that is minus 15. So what we got x? We got minus 15. Hope you understood how to find the x. In the same way we have to find the coordinates of y as well. So let B be y on the right hand side. Of P. Got it? After writing this, place the values. Now obviously 8 is the coordinate of B is going to be greater than P. So minus 7 xy is going to be greater than minus 7. So after writing this, we have to place the values, that is 8. We know the coordinate of D is equal to P of B is equal to 8. Got it? So 8 will remain as it is, y minus 7, and the answer that you are going to get after, we have to keep y over here and take that minus over there. After taking it over there, the answer is going to change as 8 minus 7. Y is going to be 1. Got it? Got it? In this way you all have to find the x coordinate, that is minus 15, and y coordinate, that is 1. Got it? Now moving towards the fifth question. If ABC, the distance of ABC, distance of AC is 17, BC is 6.5, then find the distance of AB. We have to find the distance of AB. So distance of AB plus distance of BC is equal to distance of AC. Got it? As B is in between A and C. Therefore, distance of AB, we know the distance of BC, that is supposed to be 6.5, and the distance of AC is going to be 17. Distance of AC is 17, BC is 6.5. So put the numbers and then you all have to solve it. The distance of AB is equal to 17 minus 6.5. So distance of AB after subtracting, you will be getting 10.5. Got it? It was easy. Now question number 6. In the same way you all have to follow. Question number 6. PQR. Distance of PQ is 3.4. QR is 5.7. You have to find distance of QR. So for that also you all have to first write the statement, that is distance of PR is equal to distance of PQ plus distance of QR, where Q is between the P and Q. So distance of PR is equal to Q. PQ is supposed to be 3.4. QR is supposed to be 5.7. When you add these two numbers, you will be getting PR, that is 9.1. Got it? Wasn't it easy? Now, moving towards the sixth question. Coordinate of point A on a number line is 1. What is the coordinate of the point on the number line which is at a distance of 7 from A? Now, for this, again we have to draw a number line. Use a scale for drawing a number line. I am drawing in a rough way. So, first we have to draw A, and its coordinate is 1. Got it? And the distance of both the coordinates are at a distance of 7. 7 from here, 7 from here as well. So, this is B, this is C, and X and Y coordinate. Got it? Sorry, you have to write X over here, B over here, Y over here, and C over here. Got it? Alphabets should come in one line and the coordinate should come in one line. So, A is 1, C is supposed to be Y, and B is X. Got it? In the same way as we did the before sum, we have to solve it. So, let B be on the left hand side. Let B be on the left hand side from A. So, 1 is going to be greater than X. Got it? As I said, this number is going to be smaller according to A. A is going to be greater than B. So, what we have to do is distance of AB is equal to 7. That has been given. The distance between AB is 7. So, 7 is equal to 1 minus X. X is 1 minus 7, that is X is supposed to be minus 6. Got it? Now, we got X. What is supposed to be X? Minus 6. Now, moving towards the next. Let C be on the right hand side. Of A. Got it? It is on the right hand side and the distance between them is supposed to be 7. So, Y is going to be greater than A. Obviously, it is on the right hand side. It is going to get greater. This is going to be smaller. So, accordingly, we have to write distance of AC is equal to 7, where the coordinate of A was supposed to be 7 is equal to Y minus 1. Y is equal to 7. 7 plus 1. Therefore, Y is equal to 8. So, we found both the coordinates X and Y. When one coordinate was given, we found it in this way. Got it? Hope you understood. If there is any problem, please mention in the comment box. I'll try to answer it. Thank you.